GMT essentially rose 36.35% in 7 days in a sort of large manner. Bull control GMT's kind of current cost activities, which generally is very huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn basically is floating at $346,717,663. By and large, further appearance, how bull control GMT's exceptionally current cost activities in an especially significant manner. Current stepn cost fundamentally is $0.29. September 2023. In this video we will walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to respond to these often gotten clarification on some things, facts, what especially is transient cost expectation for stepn. For the most part is GMT a very wise interest amazingly. stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn fundamentally is drifting at $346,717,663, essentially further appearance how bull control GMT's by and large current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the GMT specialized examination, sort of allowed us essentially to discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,043,861,656,281, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The extremely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $17,771,514,007, which truly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of enormous manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15% in an exceptionally significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, kind of additional appearance how market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,043,861,656,281, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period, which by and large is genuinely huge. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere around 1.24 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, showing how GMT generally rose 36.35% in 7 days, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions basically show that the market especially is going in a by and large descending bearing for extremely present moment, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, a truly broad, most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn in every practical sense is floating at $346,717,663, fundamentally further appearance how bull control GMT's genuinely current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path and in every way that really matters, huge way. Support especially is a level at which purchasers sort of become certainly more by and large dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,043,861,656,281, amazingly. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which merchants basically become moved genuinely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that help especially is a level at which purchasers truly become certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing that market examination over the last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,043,861,656,281, which for the most part is very huge. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, in every practical sense, is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week, which basically shows that however prior to plunging most certainly profound into the GMT specialized examination. Let us truly discuss the sort of current economic situations in a sort of huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while essentially complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars. Truly further appearance how the really all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $17,771,514,007 in an unobtrusive manner. There especially are right around 1,104,192,453 by and large are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 24 September 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, truly made sense of beneath. Especially further appearance how step backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a very huge way. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal assembly and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the STEPN, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The general strength file, RSI, shows that the GMT coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI in a real sense is at 37. Exhibiting that step backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. While GMT's Williams %R marker especially is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign fundamentally is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value decline of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours. Sort of additional appearance how market investigation over the last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to